Welcome everyone. And now from today we are going to do the revision. Let's do the revision of chapter number 2, that is more on Windows 7. So as you all know, Windows 7 is an operating system. It comes under system software. Windows 7 is responsible for the GUI, that is graphic user interface. Like this we are seeing each and every icon in graphics, and we can do our work without the coding. Just by the clicking on icons we can perform some operations. So it provides the GUI, Windows 7 graphic user interface, and by which we can run application software upon it. That means we can, in operating system, we can have different application software by which we can perform different tasks. So one of the application software which we are going to study is Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is used to play and organize the digital media files, that is audio and video. So any files that is of audio or video format we can play on Windows Media Player. Now I am going to show you the Windows Media Player. Here at the bottom you can see the icon. This is of Windows Media Player. Clicking on it, you will get the first interface of Windows Media Player. So by the help of Windows Media Player we can watch the videos and we can listen the audios. There are the various functions in Windows Media Player. One is of rip and one is of burn. Rip CD means copying the data from the CD to the Windows Media Player, and we can directly run the files in Windows Media Player by ripping CD option. And the another one is burning CD. And when we burn the CD, the data whichever is there, the files, audio video files, will copy to the CD. So here on the right hand side in Windows Media Player you can see the option of burn, and it is written connect burner and restart the player. Whenever we have to put the CD and we have to restart the player, then the CD can be burned through the Windows Media Player. All the data whatever will be there, we can move the data from here to the our CD. And if you move to the data from CD to the player, then we have the rip CD option. So this is the difference between the rip CD and the burning of CD. In rip we are copying the data from CD to our player, and from in burning we are putting our data into our CD. We are basically in burning we are moving our data, we are copying our data into the CD. And if there is another function, if you want to copy the data, if you are directly send our data to the CD, that will create the image of your data in CD. So there is a difference between creating the image and burning the CD. If you only move the data from here to the CD, it will only make the image. But if you will do the burn option, then it will copy the data. It's the function of the system. Like in DVDs we can play the images file also. But if the in older days we have the CD players which never used to play the image file, so we have to burn the CD to run the data, to play the data. There is another feature of Windows 7 is for the image. We can see the image and we can manage the image. We can see here by clicking here. We are going to click on the my computer. In my computer, on the left hand side pane, you can see the pictures option. We have to click on the pictures, and there are the various samples picture. Nowadays there are the various softwares available to to check the picture, to watch the pictures. So it is not necessary that we have to keep all the pictures here. We can keep our pictures in anywhere in our hard disk, and the partition is been here. You can see there is the two partition in my laptop of our hard disk for the record keeping, that is D and E, and in C we are having our operating system. There are the three partitions C, D, E. In C there is an operating system, and D and E is also there. I can keep my data in D and E also. It is not necessary that we have to keep the pictures in picture option, but Windows, this is the feature of the Windows 7, that we can see the images, we can see the pictures here. To see the picture, we can do the double click to it. By double clicking on it, we can see the pictures enlarge. So this is the software which is there in my system, that the application software, that is called Picasa. And right now I am checking our image. We are seeing the image in Picasa software. So by double clicking on it, we can see the image. Or what we can do, first we have to do the right click, then we have the open with option. When we will click on open with, we have the different types like Firefox, Paint, Picasa Photo Viewer, Window Media Player, Window Photo Viewer. So by default, it we can see the images in Window Photo Viewer. So in Photo Window Media Player, there are the functions are not that enough. So it's suggested to open the file in Picasa. Window Media Player have very less functions in comparison to Picasa. Like in this, we don't have the in my system the ability of the touch screen. In Windows 7, we have the, in some of the system we have the touch screen. So by the touch screen, like in mobile, we can perform the function in Windows 7. There is a mobile also of Windows 7. Nokia company has built a mobile of Windows. So it is also the function of Windows 7, the touch screen. The another function is searching. By searching, it's very easy to search the data. Here, and at the start button, when we'll click on the start button, we can see all the application software here, and the exactly below the all program we have a search box. In this search box, we can search our item, whatever item we want to search, we can search on search box. Like suppose if you want any kind of software, we can search the software. Like I am writing word, I have written only the WO, and we can see whatever is with the word, whatever software we have with the word WO, all are there. And the files are also there. You can see in files 8 worksheet with the WO, whatever we will have, the videos, documents, control panels, programs. It is searching each and everything here. So this is the easiest way to search the files. So searching is very easy in Windows 7. With the help of the search box, we can search our data. Whatever data we want to search, we can write on search box. There is another way of searching the files. Like first, if we will click on my computer, exactly at the top, you can see here search computer. Whatever we will write here and the file with it, whatever the file will be there with this name, it will search in CDE in hard disk. It will not give us the softwares. Like when we cl- click on the start button and search the programs, like I have shown you word W, I've just written W, we can see in programs Microsoft Word 2007. It is a application software. By the help of search box we can see it. But if we click on the search computer at the top, we will not find the programs. We will only find the files. Like suppose we want to search something worksheet, class 6th. So it will show worksheet of the class whatever is with the name worksheet 6 class. It is showing everything. So we can search from here also, and by the start button we can search from by the search box. So we have the two ways to search. The another, whatever we open, we can see each and everything at the bottom here. This is called a taskbar. Means whatever task we are opening, it will show this. See here we have opened the window photo viewer. We can see here window photo viewer. If we will close this program, it will be gone. We have opened this page. We can see here in File Explorer sample pictures. So whatever task we will open, we can see here in the taskbar. Its name is, as its name suggests, task bar. Whatever task we are doing, we can see here in the task bar. Like suppose if I double click here on any photo, like this time it is open in, I have open, by default I have set it the setting of Picasa software to view the photos. You can see here at the taskbar Picasa photo viewer is open. In similar ways we have videos. Okay, the videos are not there. If any one video is there, if I will do the play it in another software, okay, open the program which are installed. Okay, I will try to open it in VLC. You will see a VLC player in the taskbar. That means it is open. So whatever task we will open, we can see it here in the taskbar. Another feature is jump function. Jump function means, like suppose whatever we have done earlier, it will show all the option. Like in window media player, I am doing the right click in the software. Here in the taskbar you have to do the right click in the taskbar. Here you can see the list of the videos which I have already played. So it in the jump video, in the jump function, by doing the right click in the taskbar, it will show all the previous work, or you can say all the previous file, that is picture, song, or anything whatever we have played, all the previous file which whatever we have opened, it will show each and everything. So this is also the another important feature of Windows 7. So you have to perform all these. Those who have the system at home, you can perform all these activities. Thank you for watching video.